Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, November 26, 1999, 8 am. Yes, my dear child, you can thank God. You shared your life with an ideal companion. He was present and attentive towards you in all the tests that you went through. You are united by an extraordinary love which you always regarded as a divine grace. You are having made him transform your life as well as his. It is a great day for him here and you have felt it. You can rejoice even if you miss his presence infinitely. He has reached a level of perfection which must make you happy. We wanted to share this happiness with you, knowing that it would give you courage. That he is no longer with you is sometimes painful, but we know your generosity of spirit and we know that this news can only delight you. You will meet again one day, dazzled by your respective lights, divested of superfluity and beautiful with true beauty. Your souls are united forever. They vibrate in unison and nothing will change that. Therefore, you should endure this separation, which is not one, without sadness. Take heart, my daughter. You carry on with your process. We know your soul and great desire, but the time has not come as yet. Show some more patience and your wishes will be answered. Babuji. Friday, November 26, 1999, 10 am. Your union on the earth was long desired and planned. It was meeting of souls. A beautiful love story, modest, not expressed, but very powerful. Not many human beings are privileged to experience that. It is the fruit of previous incarnations that has made your reunion possible in this one. You both are soulmates for eternity. In today's joy, we wanted to confirm all this to you. You knew it already, but you also know that we believe in repetitions. They are never superfluous. It is your life not a long series of repeated acts, time and again? Even if sometimes you find this process wearisome, you are caught in the movement and you cannot get out of it. You are conditioned to live this way. Even if sometimes your life seems monotonous to you, there is something reassuring in this repetitive movement. Suddenly cutting yourself off from all your habits would be disorienting. You can see that actually all has its raison d'etre and that chance does not exist. Be always grateful for the fate reserved for you. Whatever it is planned for your good. Babuji.